The crowdfunding that we're going to do is to raise about $2,000 to build a new, very powerful computer to be the hub for producing little movies about this community, the music in it, and to record many, many new musical portraits which people in the community and people around the country will commission. If I were to get the kind of very powerful computer in a Mac that I want, I'd probably spend $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000. And instead, what I'm planning to do is have Marvin build me a computer, a PC, and it'll cost about $1,800. And so we're going to try to crowdfund that money over the next 3 weeks so that I have that resource, because at that point I'm going to be able to review footage that we have. We did a lot of shooting this year to make a movie about music in the park, and it isn't finished, and we need to finish that, but we need to have it all be part of a social media strategy that boosts my presence around the country. And so to have that machine is going to be very important. That's the biggest obstacle right now.